Because in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Apache NetBeans 31 on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. To download the software, in Google search box, write there NetBeans, then go on this Apache org site. Now, thereafter, here you can see Apache NetBeans 31. Let's go on this download button there, or you can see this zip file is there. Let's go on this Corder package. You need to click this. Now you need to scroll down. Then you can get your Windows, Mac, Linux. Linux you can get here zip file, dev file or RPM. So here let's for Ubuntu you need to download their dev file. Click on this download package. Then you can see here or dev file NetBeans. This is now currently downloading. Now, if I go into this terminal, thereafter, if I write there Java minus minus version. So you can see Java 26 is the latest version. So this Java 26 must be installed in your systems. Okay. Then you can use this NetBeans. Now let's see the download status. So this will take only few second times to complete this download. This step file that's downloaded, let's click on this in folder. So this here. Now the next is let's select, click on rename, selecting this all, copying, right click, open in terminal. Now paste this. Thereafter you need to write this command sudo dpkg -i. Now press enter, give the password, and now this here selecting previous, unpacking, preparing to unpack, and after that will start installing this dev file, NetBeans dev file. Here reading, now this done. To start the NetBeans, simply you need to write the NetBeans. Then this detected, this is now opening. Opening this. Now, if I go there, let's search here NetBeans, then you can also get the NetBeans inside there. Okay, so this is open this place. Simply you need to click on this new project. Let's select this first one. Click on next. This is configuring Java cluster, activating Java SE. Now let's give the project name or test. Now click on finish. So this here, you can see this the default code. Let's remove this. And this is now currently processing here. You can see this is the hello world code. Right click, then run file. So when you click on this run file, so here, this is now currently running, debugging and running. So hello world, that's the display. Let's do some changes. Control S to save, right click, then run file. So this here, hello world, that's the display. So this is how we can do the installation of NetBeans 31 on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.